Dirt and germs find places to hide, making everyday cleaning a challenge. Introducing the Geepas Handheld Steam Cleaner, your intelligent cleaning solution. The 380 milliliters water tank allows for more extensive cleaning sessions. A robust 1,050 watts motor tackles even the toughest dirt for a deep and thorough clean. Steam at 110 degrees Celsius ensures a sanitized and hygienic environment, fighting germs and bacteria. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for versatile cleaning on countertops, tiles, upholstery, and more. No dirt is safe, and no corner is untouched. Clean smarter. Live better with Geepas.